Where are we going?
Bella Bella.
Going to Bella Bella. Heading there this morning. Heading there this morning to Bella Bella, to the game reserve. Can you wave?
Hi.
See you guys there.
Glorious. I mean, obviously my wife spent every single second of the trip on the phone, but that's my fault because...
Wait, hold up. Yep.
Yeah, it's my fault because when we started the trip, I was like, I get on really well with Nikki. And so she said, well, you know what, I'm going to be more like Nikki this holiday. And then she just haven't seen her since, just constantly.